Cambridge Learners Book Grade 7, we are starting Unit 12 Ratio Exercise 12.1 from today. Step by step, we will try to solve every math. I hope you will learn lots of things from this channel. So, let's get started. Question 1. For each of these necklaces, write down the ratio of green beads to blue beads in its simplest form. The first one has been done for you. Look, this is necklace where 1 and 2 green 2 beads and blue 1 2 3 4, right? Now look, green ratio, it means is to blue, green 2 and blue 4. Look, 2 is to 4, it means 2 by 4. If we divide this 2 by 2, we will get 1, and this 4, once we divide by 2, we will get 2. What does mean? It means 2 divide 2 ratio 4 divide 2. It means we are dividing by same number. So 2 divide 2, it will be 1, and 4 divide 2, it will be 2. So this is our answer. This is number A. Number B. Here 1 2 3 4 green 4, 1 2 blue 2. So green is to blue, it means 4 is to 2. We can divide this 4 by 2, same this 2 divide 2. So what will be the answer? 4 divide 2 equals to 2 is to 2 divide 2 equals to 1. Very simple. So this one is 2 is to 1. Number C. Here green 1 2 3 4, blue 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write green is to blue, that means 4 is to 6. Both are even numbers, so we can divide this one by 2. So it will be 2 is to 3. So here is answer 2 is to 3. So what about this one, number D? Blue. Number D. Blue 1 2 3. Green 1 2 3 4. So we can say green is to blue, that means 4 is to 3, and this is our answer, 4 is to 3. So we are simplifying this ratio. This is very important, simplification of ratio. So number 1 done. Number 2, write down the correct answer A, B or C for each of these. The first one has been done for you. Here is 6 is to 12. 6 is to 12. So which one is the common thing? We can divide both things by 6, right? 6 divided 6 is to 12 divided 6. Now here is 1 is to 2. So which one is our correct answer? Correct answer is 1 is to 2. Okay. Number B. 3 is to 18. Written in its simplest form. So same thing, we can divide this one by 3. We will get 1 is to 18 divided 3, it will be 6. So 1 is to 6 our correct answer. 20 is to 4. Number C. 20 is to 4. What is the simplest form? If you have problem to make divide, you can also do like this way, 20 by 4. So this one we can divide by 2. So here is 10, here is 2. Again we can divide by 2. Here is 5, here is 1. So this one is 5 is to 1. Or if you can capable, you can do 20 divide 4 is to 4 divide 4. So finally 20 divide 4 will be 5 is to 4 divide 4 equals to 1. Okay. So what will be the answer? 5 is to 1, which is number C. Number D. 24 is to 6. So two way we can simplify, like 24 by 6 is a similar thing of 24 is to 6. First we can divide by 2, we will get 12, and here is 3. Now this 12 we can divide by 3, so we will get 4, and 3 divided by 3 we will get 1. So what will be the answer? 4 is to 1. Same thing, we can divide this 24 by 6. So 6 divided 6. So 24 divided 6 will be 4, and 6 divided 6, right, will be 1. So our answer is 4 is to 1. Which one? Number B is our right answer. So this video I am trying to solve 1 and 2 of exercise 12.1 ratio unit 12 Cambridge Learners Book 7. Next video we will start from number 3. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you.